Welcome to Ensign Advisory Services. Ensign Advisory Services has an array of services to offer. Ensign is a preferred education provider with Financial Planning Standard Boards India for CFP aspirants. Ensign creates end-to-end financial plans for their clients comprising business owners, decision makers and HNIs. We offer advisory to clients to preserve and grow their wealth through conventional basket of products like equity, mutual funds, debt, insurance and also through other emerging products like smart owners and red ribbon. Ensign offers home loan optimization to those clients who have home loans, helping them to save lakhs of rupees in interest cost. And last but not the least, we also advise our clients with their estate planning, which is an area largely ignored. As per the report by Financial Planning Standard Board published in September 16, India has a demand for around 50,000 certified financial planners. Till the end of December 15, there were only 1,910 certified financial planners, which means there is a wide gap in the demand yet to be fulfilled. Ensign is proud to be associated as one of the 12 education partners with Financial Planning Standard Boards for providing coaching for CFP aspirants. This certification is earned by those who meet the stringent standards of education, examination, experience and ethics. CFP is a qualification that is accepted, recognized and respected globally in more than 23 countries. The Financial Planning Standards Board has 44 charter members who are counted amongst the who is who in the financial industry. The charter members are committed to give preference to a candidate with CFP qualification in their recruitment process, other parameters remaining the same. Why choose Ensign? Participants of batches we run get coached by highly qualified and competent faculty with years of experience. You have a choice of both online and offline learning to suit your convenience and schedule. All the students are given assignments which can be accessed and submitted online. Collaborative and interactive study is highly encouraged. And last but not the least, Ensign provides a forum to enable students to put into practice the theory learned in the classroom. We create a forum where they can invite prospective clients for a in-person interaction for creating their comprehensive financial plan. The course consists of 5 examinations and comprehensively covers all aspects of personal finances, including risk analysis, insurance planning, retirement planning, tax planning, and investment planning. If you are a graduate or an undergraduate in disciplines like BCom, BBA, MBA, or if you are a person with non-finance background working as a salaried employee with minimum 5 years of experience, or you are a retired person looking for a second innings, then this course is for you. If you are a housewife who has taken a break from career or never been into a career, then this course is your launchpad which opens up opportunities. If you are a business owner looking to increase your net worth, or you are a self-employed in finance industry, or looking to start up your own outfit, this course equips you with the necessary knowledge which you can leverage.